I got an idea. What about we charge him double for the service? And then we use the extra money to go down to the pub and get some extra drinks. How does that sound to you, mate? Does it sound like a good idea? Or does it sound bad? Now, before you answer, don't forget, I'm your best friend and I've never steered you wrong. What do you say? Huh?
There's nothing to know about the topic at hand. Your idea to charge double to a client that hates us already? What do you think would come as a result of this buffoonery? More service or less?
Well, mate, I don't know.
Of course you don't. This would be a horrible idea. But I do like drinks.